welcome to my channel. Heather here. Sorry it's been a while. I had some health issues happen back in March, which put me on the road of recovery. I work for a hotel and we had just finished deep clean 200 and some units from December to March, and right at the end I ended up pulling a muscle in my back after doing an inspection in a room when I pulled out a sofa bed, and it sprung back in when I went to put it back in. And anyhow, that's what happened. I strained the muscle, and a month later I fall off the chair. So I guess my stress level was very high. I've been trying to decide what is best for me. I really hope to make some extra income online. YouTube is new to me, and being consistent has always been an ongoing struggle in my life. And I realized that being on YouTube, you need to be consistent. Just anything online, you need to be consistent. But you know, your health is important too. And so this is where I kind of stand right now. It's like, what do I do? Do I go full-time as a creator or a YouTuber, or create an online course? Which I actually had created an online course, but I never made it published. I did that during 2021 before I started working at this place that I work at. And so I have a taste and experience of how the online world works, and I have a friend who does great. I just feel like this is where I'm meant to be. And anyways, that's the backstory of why I haven't created another video, and now I'm back with this video. And so my last video, I fixed my sewing machine after it had stopped working, and it was working, which was great for a little bit, and then bent a needle, broke a needle, and broke a second needle. So something was off, and it took me a little bit to figure it out. But I will just give you guys kind of a rundown. Right now, I'm not gonna take apart my, well, I guess I could show you guys what I'm talking about. So just give me a second and I will flip this camera around. So this is my brother's sewing machine here, and right here is where your needle goes in, and this is your bobbin, and it's inside the bobbin case, and the bobbin case sits inside the frame. So when the needle was going down, it was hitting the edge of the frame or the bobbin case. I really should just take this apart to show you that. So here you can see this is where the bobbin is, that's the bobbin case, and the needle was hitting this part right here, this little edge. And anyways, I could not fix it, but that gives you an idea where the problem was. And that's the bobbin case that goes in. So put the bobbin in. Covers back on, but anyhow, and I just decided enough is enough. I'm not dealing with any more problems in order to end this sewing machine. There are 3 tiny screws, 1, 2, and 3 right here that help with this moving it, and you can move it forward and back, to the side, or really up a little too. Anyways, we thought we had it fixed, but we also had one of the screws fall out and roll off this desk, and roll all the way on the floor somewhere, and possibly went down into there, straight down. So yeah, it's gone. It did go down there. Hopefully one day maybe I'll find this missing screw. But that is the possibility of where this little tiny screw went that we could not find. So in the end, my friend thought, hey Heather, you could use it, and it was working. The alignment seemed fine, but it was still jamming. So at this point, I am frustrated. I was done with the machine because I'm going to be doing some good ass sewing, I want to make sure that I have a good machine. I started looking online for different machines. I looked on Amazon, I looked on the Brother site, and I looked at the Singer site. In the end, I went with Singer. So this is the box that it arrived in. It is the Singer 68003 Heavy Duty machine. And it has 586 stitches, LCD screen, and enhanced piercing power. It also has many functions. These are the functions. I will open up the box so everybody can see. These are all the parts that are supposed to come inside. Let's see, they're there. Here are the instructions. Here's the warranty. We got 3 beginners machine sewing classes. Here's all the pieces. We got the clips, the walking clips, and a cover for the machine, and this is the press butt for under the machine. So it's so easy to take out. There we go. Get it out of the box. Remove the foam. Here is the machine outside of the box in the styrofoam. Here are all the stitches. And I have a QR code. I think that would be probably for them to class in the machine. This machine also has mirror imaging, and it cuts the thread and ties the thread. Like, it's a big advance compared to the one I have. I guess it's still qualified as this beginner sewing machine, but I'm happy with it. It wasn't listed as one of the best sellers, I think, because it might be a newer model by Singer. And yeah, so I just thought I would share my unboxing